Hello, my name is Chin, and today is the 5th of October 24, and we're gonna do 5 random days trade, and you can see that's yesterday. So let's pick 5 random days, shall we? Random bar 2003. By the way, I put 15,000 with a leverage of 30, so it will be a small account, $500 or whatever currency you're using, and I aim to have 1% a day, and the end of this 5 days, hopefully that will be $25, pound, euro. Let's have a look in general what the market is like. Looks like a massive pullback, and we shall see. And there are rules I'm trying to impose when trading, and I will explain later. So what I'm going to mark out first is 11 o'clock London time, UK time, and 4 o'clock UK time, which I tend not to trade past that time. A few minutes I will still go for it, but more than that, maybe not, because things are a lot less volume that time to do our thing. So first bit, I'm trying to look for the range. So we need to identify the high, the low of the range, and enter at premium or discount. So this is our job for now. I don't have any buyers at the moment, but looks like we're gonna sell again. Oof, massive sell. So time to bring out our box. Because it's so bearish right now, I don't think it's ranging, as you can see. This box tells you when it closes below it, we're gonna go for a short with a strong bearish candle. Up till now, it might go back into Asia range, so we need to see something like this. Then we can engage with a sell with a few pips. This is my stop loss. Make it a little bit tighter, because if it goes back again, we can re-enter. We shall see. I don't see any problem with it. So that's our first profit. Because it's still continuing, I might bring out the second box. When it goes past it, we're going to enter short again. There's no stopping for this. A little bit of hesitation. Oh, I missed that. I will go for a short there. Here. That is easily another few pips there. But never mind. I will not trade long for now because it's not my speciality. So it's pretty much no trade for me the rest of the time. I do see that the price could go there, but I just couldn't find a suitable enter to it. I haven't tested any of that yet. So there's no trade. We got our first win here. I said the price could go back there. Entry yet to be discovered. So let's do 1 or 2 more days for this, for these days. So it's a huge bias towards the down, so expecting another sell for the next day until otherwise. So I'll pause it before the close of Asia. The reason why I'm trying to do video to show you how I trade is because it will push me to be more regimen towards my style. A little bit wrong with this Asia blue thing here. It should be finished around about there, but never mind. Let's mark out this sessions. Yeah, I was talking about why I want to do video. It's just to take myself into account of what I trade, not just that's exceptional, or too many exceptional cases, which means you don't have a clue what you're trying to do. Let's see. We are trying to identify the range, the low and the high. Expect sell off again, and mainly look for the sell. So I think everyone agrees that's the high for now, and this could be the low for now. It could go a lot lower. There's excuse me, there's no dramatic pulling upside, so I don't think this range is going to play out. So forget ranging. We're going to identify some kind of break off in this range. There's no volume whatsoever. If you're trying to relate that as a range, if it goes up there again, you may go for a short maybe, but the time we have left. Interesting. And it's Asia mid as well. We can go for a sell. Again, I tend not to see this as ranging anymore, but there's simply no actions. And because I'm doing it in front of you, I need to treat stop loss very seriously. So if we hit that, we're definitely going to lose this trade. Right, we got it. So the rest I would not consider. Close to Christmas. Hang on, why is it April? I thought it was Christmas. Never mind. Let's pick another random bar, shall we? $13 still here. I thought it's going to be zeroed sometimes. 2004. Let's go, why not? Not going for it. It's 12 o'clock. Let's go for the next 2 days or 3. The video could be 20 minutes long, unfortunately. But if you want to see the thought process behind me, then you're more welcome to continue to watch and see if I can get 25. I hit pause already, so hopefully it does. So expecting some upside. Yeah, quite bullish. Still a lot of up pressure. So at the moment, I don't have any bias because it could be ranging and start looking for sell off. So this line again is to tell me stop looking for ranging, and this line is to tell me stop trading. So if you're brave enough, you can buy it now because there's a lot of buy pressure. Let's mark out the range. Yeah, buy it there, I told you. Massive profit right now. Yeah, it tends to go higher now. I'm not surprised if it's stick around here and break off again. I don't know. I think we pretty much agree that's the low. That's the high for now. Usually there's a lot of sell around the Asia high. Right, that could be a buy there, but I'm not too confident if this is the lower it's going to get. We still got an hour to identify. Right, there we go. That's definitely not ranging anymore. So get rid of this box. It was, if we get in here earlier. But you never know, do you? You're observing. So now we are looking for break off. Volume is going to kick in. If they can hold around here, maybe we can treat this as a big range. Looks like this is the lowest till New York Open. So if it can break above the low of Asia, I'm going for a long. Oof, luckily I didn't. So get rid of this for now, and let's bring out this break off box again. We've still got time. That's a sell, that's a solid. It doesn't look like a lot of movement, but it's 4 pips down here. And we definitely need stop loss. So if I get stopped out, we're pretty much in negative. So 20 at the moment. So we finished 3 days. And one day took me about 5 minutes to explain. So it's starting to go lower. It was going up and now it's trying to accept lower price. Pretty much pause it here. It's gonna go all the way. So expecting it to sell. Let's mark out the famous 11 o'clock and the stop trading at 4 UK time. 2 more days, bear with me. If you think it's boring, you're more than welcome to enjoy the rest of your day. But I said 5 days, I'm gonna do 5 days. So again, we are looking for the high and low of the range. Oop, we jumped. I think that will be the low of the day. I'm assuming it's going to be ranging. And for now, I think we all agree that that's the low and that's the high for it. We're expecting some sell. So it'll be a good idea if it goes back there and then come down. That would be ideal. That's great, but it's too bullish for my liking. And it's close above the Asia high as well. That's definitely not the highest point. Oh, maybe not. I said too soon. I want to see one more candle. Oh, never mind. Lost the chance there. It's a shame. But you know what I mean, right? So I'm not expecting any range anymore. But it could be still ranging, depends. Because very soon, volume kicking in and the range will be broken. But if after some point it's still not breaking off, then we have a high chance this range is still valid. I mean, we have a new range here. Right, would you buy it here? I want to see a few more candles. I'm going for it. A little bit more. Stop loss. Run about there, and then we can break it even still. The reason why I go for it is because it's above Asia mid-session. So it's likely to go back up again. And the volume is here, but this line is pretty solid for now. So 26, we already met our target. So one more day. I will do another random bar. One more day. Hopefully it's closer. 2018, that's pretty close to now. Is going up, so but it doesn't like the price, so I'm expecting some sell for the next day. Catches sell. It's because it's to carry the momentum really. So my best assumption is it's gonna sell. But doesn't mean anything until we see the candles. It's a Sunday. Is it gonna fill the gap? Likely in the future, not essentially the same day. I'm gonna pause it here. I think it's gonna way overshoot. Oh, maybe not. It's got news as well. So if anyone knows what's that day about, let me know. Let me mark out the 11 o'clock again and the 4 o'clock. If you are still with me at the moment, you're a legend. And maybe you can do this as an exercise for yourself. So what we want to see here is the range. What do we need to identify? The highs and the lows. Exceptional, maybe they want to break off from the range already, like here. So we'll bring this box up and observe. It's decelerating. I don't want to be too optimistic just yet. Going for a buy. Is showing some upside. You can see in the past it's a lot easier to get to, and now it's the same amount of money, but it's harder to get to. Some things tell me I'm going to regret it. Our stop loss is there. It don't need to be this low. Well, we get the first one. I don't care if it's just coming down. If it works, it works. So I expect it to come lower and then to tackle that again. Because if it is just hovering like now, I'm not going to engage. Time to bring out the second box. Oof, that's a tough one. Missed it. I don't trade pullback because it's too bloody difficult. And also I don't do 3 boxes. So I'll stop it for now. Originally I won $25 and now we got 32. So it is working and I hope you enjoy it and have a nice weekend. See you later.